private institution is going to start Ind-Sat crash course, 25 days crash course. This is free of cost. If anyone want to join it, then you can join it. How to register for it, link is in video description. You can go through video description, where you will find a link how to register for it. I am going to tell you how to register for it. This is not for only Nepal student, this is for other country student also. If you are from another country like Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Ethiopia, Sudan, and other Uganda, then you can also apply it. This is free of cost. If you think this course, this Ind-Sat class will help me, then you can join it. If you are not interested, then you cannot join it. This is not compulsory for all. If interested, can only join it. First of all, open the link. After that, you will see like this: formal classes 5 days, quantitative 5 days, logical 5 days. They are also focusing kit university. I had already told you about kit, what are they offered and what facilities you will get in kit. From here you have to register. First of all, here you have to put your Gmail ID. In this email ID you will get the link and the timing when will our class start. Class will start between 12 to 20 April. It will be informed through your registered mail ID. So first of all, register it. I am going to register here. Sorry. From here you can also copy it and paste it, or if you are able to type, then you can type it. You can also register from mobile also. This is the way. Just see the way how to register for it. In this section put your name, in this section put your mobile number. I am going to again copy my name from here. Just copy, and I am copying and paste. It will be easy for me. Here you have to put your mobile number. What is your mobile number without country code? Suppose this is my mobile number. This is my mobile number. In this section you have to write your country name, from where you belong. If you are from Nepal or Bangladesh or Afghanistan, you can put it here. In this section, SIID is required. First of all, log in your Start India account, and then see this is SIID. Some in mobile phone, in smartphones, students are not getting this. In a smartphone, click here if you are not getting it, and then here in this section you will get desktop mode. Click in desktop mode, then you will show this. I am going to put this ID. If you don't want to share, then you can't register for it. If you want to share and want to take class, then you can share it. I am going to put here paste. Which is your first college? In SII, Start India. I had applied for KIT, so I am going to put KIT. And another thing, which course you had applied for? Which course had you applied for in Start India? Which is your first option? I had applied for CSE, so I am going to put CSE, and then click submit. If you click submit, then you can see your response has been recorded. If you click here, then you can see what had you put your detail in this section. Here you can see my name, mobile number, country name, SIID. Link will be sent in your registered mail ID. So check your mail regularly and take SII class, Ind-Sat class. Many students confusing what is Ind-Sat. Ind-Sat is nothing but Start India exam is called Ind-Sat. I had already told you what are the courses. How can you get videos of SII exam, from where you will get question, from where you can get the videos of IND-SAT exam. So if you have any confusion, then you can ask me. I will try to reply you. Another thing, I had put my Facebook group link where you can join it and you can query it also. If you have any confusion, then you can connect with me. Telegram group link is in description. And for latest update, you can subscribe my channel and press bell notification for latest update. Another thing, I am posting about some videos about mock test. uh, Another thing, that is, this mock test is not official. This mock test is not conducted by official page of Study India or officially Study India. These mock tests are conducted by some institution. One test is conducting KIT University and others are conducting private institution of Nepal. If Eastern India will plan to conduct IND-SAT mock test, then I will inform you.